Hi friends, in this video we are going to see that how to use list and its functions. Here I have just created a class list and I have created some of the functions. I have mentioned everything here: append, insert, remove, pop, index function, count function, sort function, reverse function, copy function, clear function. Actually, this is Python program. For that I have created one list here, a class name called a list. The list name is lst1. I have given the values are 1 2 3 4. Let's print this one and see the value. Just I have created a simple class, Python class. These three double quotes are just for giving comments. So let's see here. I have created class. I'm going to print the list value. Now I'm going to show you that how to run this program. Just go to your folder and just type python list.py. Class name is list, that's why I'm giving list.py. Here we got the value, list values 1 2 3 4. So these are the values I have given in the list. I'm just printing this one. Let's match and see. Yeah, here we are getting the same value 1 2 3 4. These values what I have given, we are getting it here in this command prompt. So I think that already you knew about Python and installation, other things and all. Just you have to go to the prompt and type python class name.py. Now let's see the first function, append function, which is just adding function. Just you have to give the list name and dot function append. Let me type here so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. Add function, just add item to list by using this function, just adding items to this list. So I'm just giving the list name dot, here you can see the list name here. I'm just append means add. I'm trying to print that one after appending the value. I'm adding the value 5 here. Now within the list you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 should be displayed. Let's go to the command prompt here. Now rerun the program. Okay, here you can see the value appended here 1 2 3 4 5. At the end of the list you can see that the value 5 is append. Yeah, in the first list 1 2 3 4 are there. After append you can see that 5 is included here. Let's go to the next one. Append we have seen. Okay, just within the quotes, within the bracket you have to give. Let me give some more values and see that how it works. I'm just giving the value as 6 and another value as 7. Let me print and see that how it works. Just rerun. Oh yeah, it has included 5 6 7 here. So the values appended 5 6 7 is listed within the list. Let's go to the next one, insert function. It's the same as append, but here we can give the index value where it has to place within that list. Just we have to provide the index value and the value should be placed at that particular position. Values, yeah, values or items. So what are the values within that list? Those are called items here. So within the bracket you have to give. I'm just trying to type here. Okay, just you have to give the list name and insert function. Let's see that how it works. Here I have given that index value is 0 and the value is 5. So 5 already is there, so it has to appear twice. You can see here at the 0th index it has included 5 value is there, and also remaining list items also is there. Let me change the index value and see that how it works. Yeah, you can see that from second the first one, 0th one, second here the first one, first index it has included. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here we are going to get the count. So within that list we can see that 5 number is repeated twice. So if you want to get the count of any number or any value within that list, you can get the count. Just you have to give the list name dot count function, and within the bracket you have to give just the value. Let rerun. Yeah, 5 is repeating twice. That's why you are getting the value 5 of count value 5 is 2. Okay, here I am changing the value as Raja. Just for inserting, you people try to understand that we can insert not only the numeric value, we can also use strings. You can append anything within that list. Here I have just inserted. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's try another. I'm just giving the command duplicate sort. I forgot to say something that here I'm not going to explain about the theoretical part. Just I'm going to write a program. Those who wants to understand, they can just go through this program. It's everything is just interview point of view. People may ask you that how many times in list the words are repeating or that values are repeating. For that you can get the count. Here I'm just giving Raja within the single quotes. Double quotes is not accepting. So I'm trying single quotes here. Okay, let me try 5 here. Yeah, 5 is working fine. Let me check that where I have done the mistake. Yeah, within the quotes I will try to give and see that whether it works or not. Here I'm going to get the count that how many times Raja is repeating in the list. Yeah, we have got the value as 1. Okay, it may create a little bit confusion. I'm changing the value also Raja here. Yeah, let me rerun. Yeah, now we can understand easily that Raja is repeating just only once, not twice. Let me insert one more time. I'm giving the value as index value as 2. Now we are getting the value as 2. In the second list we are getting 2 because twice it is repeating. So in this way you can get the count. Now let's move on to the next one, remove function. If you want to remove any particular value, just we have to give the value. Just list name dot remove function, and within the bracket we have to give just value should be removed. Here you can see that 5 is just only once appearing. Yeah, the last line you can see it has been removed. So in this way you can remove the value from the particular list. Let's move on to the next one, sort function. Those 3 double quotes are just a comments. I'm just changing the location. Here I'm just giving the list name dot sort. So we'll get the value sorted like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If the change is in unordered like 4 5 1 2 3 like that, we'll get everything in order 1 2 3 4 5 6. We are getting some issues here. Let me check what's happening. Okay, because both the things it has included like string and values, integer values. Just I'm removing these string values so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. I don't want to mix both the things and get the sort. Yeah, now it's sorted everything properly. Okay, you can see the last line. After getting sorted, we are getting everything properly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If it's in unorder, it will be ordered. Okay, let me change the value and see that already 12 no 11 and 13. Okay, now you can see that earlier it was 11 2 13 4 5 6 7. Now it has been sorted 2 4 5 6 7 11 and 13. So in this way you can sort. It means that arrange in ascending order. Now we can achieve the descending order by using the reverse function. Just you have to give the list name and use the reverse function. After that you have to print the list and value and see. Now we got everything reversed. See that 13 11 7 6 5 4 2. After reversed we got all the values. Now let's see to get the index value of particular values in this list. So just we are going to search that for where it is located 0 1 2 3 4 5. The index value is 5. 4 is located at the index of value 5. If you run this and check it, let me clear this. Okay, yeah, here we got the answer value 5 here because 4 is located at 5th index. Let's move on to the next one. Pop is just to delete the value in the list. Just we have to give the pop and the index value. So here you can see that index value is 13. So 13 will be removed here. In the last line you can see that the value has been, the removed values listing here. After reversing we got the 13 as the first one. So that's why it's removing this one. Now let us see that after deleting this particular value, what is in that particular list. I'm printing here after deletion. Let me rerun and see. Yeah, again here you can see the 13 value has been removed. Earlier it was there, the value deleted value 13. After deletion you can see that nothing in there list the value called 13. Now let's check the copy function. List 1 already we am just creating list 2 and I'm just copying all the values from list 1 to list 2. Let me give comments here so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. Creating a new list named lst2 and adding or copying list 1 values to list 2. So whatever the values are there in the list 1, it will be copied to list 2. Just we have to use the copy function. After copy function, this one, I'm just trying to print the value of list 2. So whatever the values are coming is going, yeah, we got the list. the list values are repeating because list 1 having the same value as in this list 2. Let me give the name here so that it will be easy for you guys to understand which list it's listing here. New list hyphen list 2. Now it will be printed properly. I'm just giving it in this curly braces. Now let's see. Yeah, new list is also having the same value of list 1 because we have copied all the values from list 1. Now let us see the clear function. So I'm just clearing all the values in list 2, and let me check that what are the values available in the list 2. Probably will get blank because we are clearing all the values in the list 2. Let me clear the screen here and rerun this program. Yes, the new list, that is list 2 values. After clear function, the list 2 values are blank because we have cleared all the values within the list 2. Now this is list 1 and list 2 values are list 1. So list 2 values are clear, that's why we are getting the same value as list 1. So in this way we can use all the function. List 1 values again repeating, list 2 values are blank, that's why we are not getting the list 2 values. Let me regain once again. Just we are creating a class called list, and I'm just created one list, and some of the functions I have just practiced here, that is append, insert, remove, pop, index, count, sort, reverse, copy, clear. The name itself will give the answer, will give clear explanation about its functions, how it works. So in this way you can create any list and also do these kind of functions within that list. So this will be useful for you guys. Thank you.